Hello guys, Billy here. Oh well, I had to move camp. Hey, it's getting, winter is coming guys, it's amazing. Oh, well, in the last video guys, I would like to thank you so much for your comments. Because my dad passed away. Thanks a lot for your comment and your comments and your support. Much appreciated guys, thanks a lot. Thank you guys. So on this video, I'm gonna cook something very cool. I'm gonna cook rice into a squash. In the last video guys, I was cooking inside a pumpkin, okay, making good juice for good cocktail. I was thinking something else, like, is it possible to cook rice into a pumpkin? If it's possible, with a squash, to cook rice in it. Remove all the seeds that were inside the pumpkin, and I dehydrate them, make them very dry, very good for, when I go in the woods, I can heat a bit with good spices. And I'm using one of the dehydrator from my sponsor, Prune. The link is just down below, guys. Very good price, and it works very good. So I'm very happy I can use everything from the squash. After I remove all the seed, I put half a cup, inside, okay? After, I'm pouring 1 cup of water, okay? Salt, cumin, prune. Not too much. I'm just gonna put 3 inside. Prune, okay? For sugar. Oh yeah, I will put something else. I've got it. Oh yeah, I forgot. Hazelnut, guys. Very good. And then I will put the recipe just down below, guys. Okay? Just for you. Hazelnut. I like hazelnut. Okay? I crush them. Boop, boop. Put the lid back on. So now, all right, I've got good coals or bed embers mostly. So wood embers just right here. I'm gonna put, just perfect. I'm gonna put a pumpkin on the top, cover it a bit with wood, and it will be ready. So let's do it. There we go. Okay, it's been about 35 minutes. I use a knife and I just put the knife through, so that means the pumpkin is ready, and I'm pretty sure the rice also is cooked. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna remove the pumpkin. Gonna put it here, and we'll see. There we go. Okay guys, come. So, first thing to do is to blow over to make sure there is no ashes inside, because ashes doesn't taste good. You remember this video, guys? Oh, as you can see, the pumpkin is well done. Oh yeah. Woo! Wow. All right, let's give it a try, guys. Oh, with the hazelnut. This is very good, guys. Oh, the rice, the recipe usually it's the rice is half cooked done before to put in it. The other thing I tried the other day, hot water, okay? But, you know, it's very good, but a little bit crunchy. The rice is still a little bit crunchy, but it's still very good. Very happy with it. Oh well, that was Billy cooking rice into a squash. Well, see you next time, guys, for another video. Live your passion, live the adventure. See you next time, guys. Woo!